a short series on Excel learning, where I will be showcasing different tips and tricks to learn Excel in easy steps. In first episode, I'll be showing how to display formulas and highlight them using shortcuts.
Let's face it, this worksheet is a mess. Someone who is working on this worksheet has left the organization and the sheet has came in your lap. You are trying to figure out what is going on. I will help you out. You're trying to understand what all formulas are being used in this worksheet. There are different ways by which we can do that. The first one, go to Formula tab, click on Show Formulas. All the formulas which are used in this worksheet are being shown. You can move around to the worksheet and to look over those formulas. Now, you can click back to Show Formulas to come to listing screen. Another one, the command line approach, which I use the most. We have to use Control button along with this icon. It is referred as toddler icon. So we will be using Control plus toddler icon to see all the formulas on the worksheet, and using Control plus toddler icon again, get back to the worksheet with the values. I use this all the time while working with a worksheet. The only thing is, it doesn't highlight the cell with the formulas. So I have another approach for that. To highlight the cells with the formulas, let's go to Home tab, click on Find and select Formulas. Now, the cells are being highlighted. Without clicking anywhere among the worksheet, let's give them a background color. I'm selecting this as for them. Okay, so the cells are being highlighted now. But make sure you are selecting only a single cell if you would like to apply this highlighting formula to complete worksheet. If you would like to apply to a single range of cells, then we can select it and proceed with the formula. Now, another one. I would like to highlight the fields having or the cells having only constant values. For this, what I will be doing is we're going to find and select, go to special, selecting constants, unchecking text, logicals, and errors. Only number section will be selected. Click on OK button. Now the cells have been selected. Let's give them to background color. Here they are. With these, we find out there are different ways to identify the formulas being used in the worksheet and different ways to highlight them. Hope you really like the video. If you really like it, press the like button, share your opinions and views in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.